Hello everyone, so I'm back here and you guys told me that my old door sucks because it takes me a long time to enter, and now I got a new door, and you guys also said that rotten flesh wasn't good, so I got it instead, and you guys also said diamond isn't bad, so yeah. And I'm gonna, guys, I just found the dungeon looking thing. Okay, let me just show you guys. It was right here, the dungeon, but I forgot. Oh, yeah. Ow, ow, ow. So these things are called zombies. It's basically a zombie. And yeah, this is the loot. So this is a spawner, and which actually spawns zombies that will try and kill you. But nah, I'm instead of killing it, this is how you do it. Yeah, that's how what I used to do it, because I used to kill them because I did not know how to properly steer them, and that's why I lost tons of sheep now. I don't know how to dye this one because it's gray. And I need okay. The fact is you can actually craft a dye. It's light gray, but no, it's okay. You can actually dye your sheep. Now it's light gray instead of gray. And this here is a horse. You can actually ride on it, but I prefer not. And this, see this one? This is, I think this is the carabao or the dog. Yeah, this is the carabao. If you don't know what a carabao is, it's like uh, a just a cow looking thing, but it has something like called horns that has tight skin. And so did you notice this? This is bedrock. Bedrock is actually unbreakable, so this is why the reason I put it above my chest, because no one can actually open it, so now no one can rob me. And yeah, I found a mountain that's very familiar to some veterans. And you guys also told me that the the axe was used to cut trees, not mine. And I finally, okay, this is the tree. The mountain that I was talking about. That might be familiar to veterans. Yeah, that's it, because it's also familiar to me too. And the shovel isn't used for attacking. Instead, it's used for getting dirt, like that. And that sheep right there, I'm gonna lead it to my farm. I don't have wheat or a lead, so I'm just gonna push. Feel bad for the sheep, so never mind. So hopefully that I will go beat the Ender Dragon, because I like beating the game. So the reason why I want to beat the game is to get an achievement. And guys, if you're worried about if their wool won't grow again, don't worry, it will still grow. In my pumpkin farm here, it's gonna take centuries for it to grow. I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. And this right here, this is a pumpkin. So in my house, I'm gonna make a mine, so I don't have to go to a cave anymore. But I don't know what's in the mine. Maybe right here.